What is up, guys? Mattie here, back with another video. Today we are making a sewing video. But yeah, if you guys remember from a while back, I went to the garment district before I broke my hand, before I moved and all that stuff, and I bought like a long piece of fabric. And I'm actually turning these into pants today from scratch, I guess you could say. Like, basically it is from scratch. I mean, I just don't know how to make material by myself. You dig what I'm saying? Got Cuddy over here trying to bite on it. Can you chill out, please? Thank you. I've never done this before. I've altered pants before. I made it like tapered and stuff like that, but I've never done this. And the pants that I'm gonna be using to size it are these. I already started unstitching them. Yeah, I'm basically just gonna use this as my outline for the fabric. I'm using like a de-threader, guys. If you guys do not know what this is actually for taking your clothes apart. They have other things. They have other tools for it. There's this one. It's like a scissors kind of, but it's like shorter, and you kind of hold it like right here, and you kind of just like, there's like a spring. I want to get that, but I don't know. I just learned about that recently, whatever. All right, I was gonna cut it in here in my room, but I'm actually gonna go to the garage real fast and cut it for you. So come with me. Alright guys, so here we have the material. I don't really know how to explain all this stuff because honestly, I'm still like a rookie at all of the sewing stuff. It's all self-taught. Yeah. Anyways, we got the material out here, as you can see, flat as can be. I mean, I could iron it, but it's chilling. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cut around this, use that piece. I'm gonna do that twice, so I got 2 back pieces and 2 front pieces. So 4 times altogether. One thing I can say though is that I'm gonna add an extra inch to each side, just so I have a little more wiggle room. I'm kinda just eyeballing it, cause I'm a badass. That's about an inch, man.
Alright, it's on. The beat's over though. Okay, let's just keep going.
Holy crap. This is like exciting and I'm like low-key nervous. Alright, Cuddy, come on.
Sunday morning.
It's now time for the sewing part, and hopefully it turns out good.
And we're out of 40. What you need? Why you talk to me now? All of my crowd.
Yeah, I just smoked some gas. You should pass. You know I love me some jazz, and I be playing the sax. I could be shopping the sax. What? She got 2 bags, some ice on. She's too fly, she already gone. She like. Stir-fry balls, you know we got that strong. Just find out.
Alright guys, we are still sewing these pants. I have to go to work soon. I started live on Instagram. So if you guys aren't already, follow me on Instagram at MattieXIce to get some exclusive footage of me talking and sewing. Yeah, just wanted to get more followers on Instagram, that's all. So we finally got the pants finished, guys. I have it on body right now, as you can see. They fit very, very nice. I wish I took more of my time to make it more, like, you know, nice and neat and perfect. I was kind of in a rush, too excited, so I kind of like rushed the stitching and all that. So it's kind of a little wonky here and there, but it holds together, so it's like totally fine. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how the pants turned out. They could have been a little bit better, more like, you know, fine-tuning stuff. Like my waistband's like kind of uneven. That's pretty much it. The waistband's kind of uneven, and then just like the pockets, I just gotta practice sewing around the pockets because that shit's pretty tough. Although I'm really happy with how like the crotch area turned out, because usually when I do like the crotch area of pants and stuff, like when I resize them and stuff, it usually looks very wonky. But with this one, it doesn't look that bad. Like look at that. It looks pretty good. But yeah, here they are on body for you. By the way, I put YKK zips on here, so it is kind of little nice, you know what I'm saying? Just whoop, 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 whoop. It's a nice little zip too. It's pretty long. But yeah, that's it for this video. So please like, comment, subscribe, follow my social medias down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.